thank you so much for joining us today in this new video. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Jane, and this is my special guest of the day. What is your name, sir?
My name is Sam. I am the husband of Breath of Beauty.
The reason why we are both here today and talking to you guys is because we have some very big news that probably will affect the schedule of my video output. So we'll just go right on ahead and just come out with it. What
What's
are we
up?
gonna do?
I'm gonna ask you. No, it's not for me. What's going on? Why have things been so busy with us?
So I also was not able to put out another video for this past week, and the reason is because we've been so busy trying to deal with the logistics of moving. We are actually going to move across the country to California, sunny California. We have two reasons for this among many other reasons, but the two main reasons is we want to be closer to my side of the family, which I have been apart from my side of the family for like 7 years now, so I do want to be closer to them. I've been in the Midwest for 17 years, and I'm just kind of ready for that change. And we also want to move to Los Angeles in particular because... What?
My job stuff. I'm trying to do things in esports, gaming, and to be honest, that has to be in LA. It just makes it a million times easier.
Right.
And I've been doing stuff for the last few years, so it's now time to like get over there and get my butt in gear and have some fun.
Yeah, exactly.
LA is awesome.
Exactly. We're also realizing that we're kind of running out of like new experiences here where we live. So we want to kind of push ourselves beyond our comfort zone and just have a lot of new experiences, grow from whether it's like hardship or just like various new experiences, and just being around more diverse groups of people in general, because it's not that diverse where we live. So I think it would just be all in all really good for us, and we have made this decision, and I have put in my 2 weeks notice at my current job, which is why I can finally talk about it and share the news with you guys. So yeah, we're gonna be moving cross country over the course of the next 2 weeks. We're gonna prepare for the move, which means that I will not be able to put out videos for maybe the first couple weeks of September. We have not found a place to live yet.
Nope.
So that's going to be a huge factor in whether I can put out a video or not. I am thinking though we might be able to vlog, so if you want to check out our vlog channel, go ahead, and I'll have that link in the description box below. So if you want to go ahead and check out our vlog and you still kind of miss me, then you can probably see me there, and Sam there too, of course.
Or follow her on Snapchat.
Oh yeah, I'll try to be more vigilant about being on Snapchat. And
I'll make sure it happens.
Just like, yeah, snapping our experiences across the country. I think it'll just be really, really cool to just kind of show you guys what we're experiencing, you know, like even stuff like finding new and fun places to eat. I'm really excited about that. So we'll probably feature like maybe more mukbangs if you guys are into that, or do like different reviews of different, you know, food places in LA. We'll do that on our vlog channel, so it will be a little more active on our vlog channel, hopefully. But of course I'll still be putting out the weekly beauty videos. So anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up and let you guys know what's going on in our lives. And if there's no videos from me for like the next few weeks, that is the reason. You know why now.
Yep. I don't know what else to say. I'll try to keep her accountable. Maybe, I haven't talked to her about this, so I don't want to make her commit to anything, but maybe we'll do like, maybe like a phone live stream every now and then. Maybe do some like little fun things on the, it might be on the vlog channel, maybe putting something on Breath of Beauty, just a little bit off brand, but still might be fun for the subscribers, because I mean, she's awesome. I don't think you guys know how awesome she is, because I get to live with her 24/7. But hey, I'm doing this for you. No, but seriously, she's funny. We'll get some more behind the scene, maybe raw content.
Yeah, that's actually a really great idea. So hopefully we
Sorry
can...
for signing you up for that.
Hopefully we can, actually pull through on those and maybe do at least like one live stream or something like that. That'd be really fun. So with that, that's pretty much all we had to say and sharing this news with you guys. We're really excited. I'm kind of scared at the same time. But this is just the next chapter in our lives and we're so ready for it. So just wanted to let you guys know that. Thank you guys always for supporting me and being so encouraging and kind and loving. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the reason why I do what I do. You guys are so awesome. And with that, I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Mama, 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 mama. Moo, 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 moo.